cat want to catch me bird them. Look at the cat trying to catch me bird them. Oh my God. See me birds them there, my fans. I feeding the birds them and the cat want to catch them. The cat is looking on. Come up, birdie, don't let the cat catch you. Welcome to my channel, Koja Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. This cat is trying to look at the cat. Look there, my fans, look there. The cat is trying to. He's looking at the birds them well to come to my channel. My fans, I gave the birds them rice to eat. Look at them. But the cat, can you see them? Don't know if it's clear. Wow. Can anyone see the birds? The lighting is not that. I have to be talking slow. I don't want the birds them to fly. They are enjoying their rice. The cat is looking on. The birds them flew up into the tree. Boy, these things I like to see, these simply cool life, you know, nature, just looking on at all the birds, plants. Welcome to my channel, Koja Country Lifestyle YouTube channel, wherever you are watching from. Please give the video a thumbs up, my fans, and if you are new, super welcome. Please tell your friends and family about my channel. I have a lot of videos on my playlist like reggae music, medicinal plants, cooking, road trip, playing, spotting, nature, you name it. I have it all. Full package. Trying to catch the birds. Eh? Look there, cat teaching. He's having some fish bone. The bird does not trust the cat, so the birds disappear. They'll be back later on, you know, for more rice. Sometimes we have to take care of all these nice little precious little creatures, you know, that God has created for us to enjoy, and full joy. I always like the word full joy. I'm not ending my joy. Big up every fans. Thanks for watching. Remember to give the video a like, you know, thumbs up, that mean, and subscribe. Big up. One love.